Hello my dear student, welcome to the maths class. So in our today's session we are going to cover cell practice 8C. Question number 1 state that write the decimal numeral for each of the following. Okay, you have to convert this in the decimal form. So 7,000. So in this cell practice we are going to deal with the thousand place. THOUSAND-THS. Okay, so I have told you in the last class that if you have a decimal number such as, if there is a decimal number, then what you are going to say this as ones, then tenth, then hundreds, HUNDREDTHS, as we dealt in cell practice 8B. Now this one is a thousand, THOUSANDTHS, thousand. So in this video, in this cell practice, we are going to touch with thousand position, okay, in the decimal number. So if 7,000 you have to write in the decimal form, it is actually written as 7 by 1000. Okay, 7 by 1000. So this to write in a decimal numeral, as they have asked us to write in a decimal form. So whenever a number is divided by 1000, a single digit, say for, whenever a single digit numerator is divided by a 1000 denominator, then first of all 0 is there before the decimal. After the decimal, 20 will be there and a digit given in the numerator. Understood? So 0 first of all, then put one decimal. As you are dividing with 1000, so 20 should be there after the decimal point and one number, the number which is given. If there is a single digit, here we are dealing with the single digit number. Okay, now 36,000. Now we are going to deal with the two digit number. 36 divided by 1000. It means 36,000 means 36 by 1000. So if you have a double digit number or two digit number, then what you are going to write? First of all, 0 is there. 0.10 only, then 36. Understood? If you have a single digit number, then 0.007. After the decimal, 20. And if you have two digit number, then one decimal, then 10, then the number given in the numerator. Okay. Similarly, 257,000 means 257,000 divided by 1000. If you have three digit number, if such is the case, 257 divided by 1000 means this is a three digit number. So when you have to write such number, then what you are going to write? First of all 10, after that decimal, then what number you have? 257, write down 257. Simple, it is 257. Okay, one digit 0 and then decimal point. After decimal point, whatever is the number given, write that. If you have two digit number, 0, then one decimal point, then 0, 10 and 36. If you have single digit number, 0.20 after the decimal, then 7. Understood? So 11 and 6,000. Just see, it is 11 and 6,000. So 11 means this is before the decimal. Okay, I'll be writing directly here. 11 and 6,000 means, so let us write this in a mixed number first. 11, 6,000 means 6 divided by 1000. Okay, so you have understood that till now, when you have a single digit number divided by a 1000 number, then 11 point. Okay, till now what we did, we put 0. Why? Because there was no and before there, but here we have 11 and. So 11 will be the number before the decimal. After the decimal will be 20 because there is only a single digit divided by 1000. So 20, then 6. This is the way to write. Okay. 72 and 68,000. 72 will be your before the decimal number, and 68,000 means 68 divided by 1000. You can see the two digit number here. So if you divide this number, you will write 72.068 because there are two digit number. So after the decimal only 10 will be there. 68. Okay. No need of writing 72.0. No, this is not the way. Okay, because this 0 is already covered by 72. So 72 point after the decimal 068. You cannot put more than 2 decimal. You cannot put like this. Okay, this is wrong way. Only you will be using 1 point like this. Okay, the last one we have 1F will be a home assignment. I hope you have understood the concept. Okay. Proceeding to question number 2, we have write the whole number and the decimal fraction in each measures given below. So one is done for you people in the book. So 1 gallon is equal to 4.546 liter. So let me explain what is done for you in the book. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So whole number here is 2. Before the decimal is a whole number. After the decimal will be a decimal fraction. So it is 0.54. Okay. So 1 gallon is 4.546. So whole number here is 4. And what are the decimal fractions you are going to say? Here it is 0.546. Okay. 1 yard is equal to 0.94. What is the whole number here? It is 0, because before the decimal point there is 0. 0 is also whole number. So decimal fraction is 0.914. Understood? I hope this is clear to you. Making sense, right? 1 kilometer is equal to 0.01 meter. So whole number here you can identify, I guess. Decimal fraction you can identify. I guess. So this will be your homework, home assignment. Okay. Alright children, proceeding to question number 3, we have write each of the following in words. So yesterday in our previous class in self-practice self B, we have done to write a decimal number in a words, right? So here we are dealing with a thousand position. So 0.007 should be written like this. 7, and in which position it is? 1st, 10th, 100th, 1000. The last digit should be written 7000. If suppose it is a single digit number. Here 7 is a single digit number, as we can write 7 by 1000. So it can be written 7000. Okay. Similarly, if you have here 0.048, 2 digit number is there. So you'll write 48. You'll count both the digit 48. So you'll write FORTY 40, EIGHT 8, THOUSAND as we are dealing with the 1000 position. So if suppose you have to say other way of saying 0.07000, then you may say 0.007. You may say that also. You may write that also. 0.048. Okay, not 48. You will say 0.048. Okay, so here it is 0.756, not 756. After the decimal, you cannot put 100. 100 you have to put. So it is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 756,000. Right? It is 756. Hundred 56. 7, it is in 100th position, that's why I am saying 700. In between you may not write 100, but the last one which you are saying should be 1000, 100. If suppose there was no 6, then you should have said 7500. But here you have 3 digits, so 700. So 700 should be written 100 only, not 100. Okay, 756,000. THOUSANDTHS. Alright. So proceeding to the next part D. 4. It is just C. There is a whole number. Here we have not got any whole number. It was 0. So here what we are going to write here is 4 and. If you have a whole number, you will write 4 and then 008 is there. So you may write directly 8. THOUSANDTHS. 8,000. 4 and 8, 1000. Understood? Similarly, here we have part E. You'll write directly 600 because this is a whole number before the decimal. So you'll write 600 and 81 EIGHTY 81,000 THOUSANDTHS. Okay, children. Okay, part F we have here 6 and 183 sorry, this is THR3,000 THOUSANDTHS. Okay, so one more question we have, that is, sorry, two more questions, that is G and H will be a home assignment. Okay, you will try to do it yourself. I hope the concept is clear, right? So if the concept is not clear here, you may rewind the video and just try to listen my explanation properly. See the explanation properly. Okay. Proceeding to the question number 4, we have write the decimal number for each fraction. Write the decimal number for each fraction. Okay. So you have to write the decimal number here. 3/1000 should be written as. So I have already told you this sums, right? In question number 2 only I have done. So if you have such type of question, then what you are going to do? First of all, 10 should be written. Point. As you are dividing a single digit number divided by 1000, so 20 should be there and 3. Whatever is in the numerator. Understood? Here 2 digit number is there, so 0.10 should be there and 75. Simple. Proceeding to part C, we have 4 to 7. It is a 3 digit number. Just see. This is a 3 digit, right? So 0.427. Alright. Here in 3 digit number, it's not big deal. Just write 1 point and 427. When you have 2 digit number, 0.010 should be there after decimal, 75. Now, if you have a mixed number, suppose, then 2 point, this here you have to focus 9/100. 9/100 should be written as 009. After the decimal, 20. Okay. Don't write again 2.0 point. That is wrong way. Part E, 68 2 digit number is there. So 035. Right? There is a 2 digit. It is a 2 digit number divided by 2 digit number is 1000 divided by 1000. So 68.035. After the decimal, only 10 should be added. Similarly, 159.073, as it is also again a single digit number divided by 1000, right? So the last part we have is part G, will be a home assignment. So student, practice for your upcoming examination. This questions are very much important. Okay, this will be very important questions. So proceeding to the part 5, we have write the following as a fraction. Okay, I'll show you the simple method of converting this into the fraction. Okay, so 0.007, remove the point, write 1 in the denominator. After decimal, how many digits are there? 3. So 1, 2, 3. As it is a 3 digit, after decimal, how many digits you can say? 3. So it is divided by 1000. If suppose there was only 0, or say for you have suppose 0.04, then it is divided by 100 because it is 4 divided by 100. Why? Because after the decimal only 2 digits are there, so 2 digit means 100. If you have 3 digit, 1000. If you have 4 digit, it will be more than that. Okay, part B, just write 39 divided by 1000, as because after the decimal there are 3 digits. Or you may use this technique also. Remove the point. 1 should be written for the decimal. And after the decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 3 0 will be there. If you have 2 digit, 2 0. If you have 1 digit, 1 0 should be written after the decimal. Okay. Proceeding to part C, we have 543 divided by 1000. Understood why? Because after the decimal there are 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So that's why 3 0 should be there. And for decimal, 1 should be written. Okay. So to convert this in a mixed fraction, you may write 6 6 divided by 1000. So this is a mixed number I have written. Okay, you may write this number also. 6.006 can be written as, remove the point, write 1000. So you may write 6006 divided by 1000. So this is also this will be also correct. This is also the correct form. This is also the correct form. If suppose they ask you to write in a mixed number, then you will write like this: 6 divided by 1000, 6006 divided by 1000. So both are correct. Okay. Proceeding to part E, we have 55.055. So 55. Okay. It is 55 divided by 1000, or you may write like this also: 55.055 divided by 1000. So this is also a fraction. So now I'll be writing this number as they have asked us to write in a fractional form. So 608703. Why I am not writing decimal? Because I just want to write in a fraction directly. For this decimal, I'll be writing 1. After the decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So it's just a logic you have to use. After the decimal, just see. Use your brain. Okay. So after decimal, there are 3 digits. 3 zeros should be given. So last question is left. That will be a home assignment for today. Okay. So here we have the last question from self practice 8C. So the question number 6 it is, write the decimal indicated by the arrows on the number line. You can see this arrows over here. You have to write what is the decimal form of this. So you can see 0 to 0.5. This is just a simple count: 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. So it is here, it is indicated, so it is 0.8, 0.8. Okay, then comes it is directly 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Just see B is 1.3. It is 1.3. Then comes directly 2. I'll not be counting this because this will help us to count that. So it is after 2 will come 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. It is 2.4. Yes, that's why it is coming after 2.4. What comes? 2.5. So you can use that logic also. Before 2.5, what comes? 2.4. Okay. So before this is just bigger one, so you may not use this one, but here you can directly use before 2.5, 2.4 comes. Yes, so decimal form is also similar to the natural counting, like 1, 2, 3. We count like this, right? So if you want to count decimal number, you will use 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Only the difference is you have decimal here. Here no decimal is there. They are called whole number. They are called decimal number. Okay. Then comes 3.5, 3.6 it is. So D will be 3.6. Understood? Suppose what will be this one? 3.5, 3.5 it is, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. So it will be 3.8. So 3.9, 4. Then if suppose you have 4.1, you may continue like this. Okay. So for practice, you may do this as a home assignment. So with this, we are over with the self practice 8C also. I hope you people are clear with the concept, everything, whatever we did till now. So in our next class, we will be proceeding with the self practice 8D. Okay. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.